When you're just starting in affiliate marketing, picking the wrong offers can keep you stuck making small commissions, or none at all. So, how do beginners choose high paying affiliate offers that actually convert? The key is to follow a framework, and that's exactly what the Affiliate Automation Academy provides. Instead of guessing, you'll learn how to identify evergreen niches, markets like health, wealth, and lifestyle that always have demand. This way, you're not chasing trends that disappear overnight. You'll also discover how to filter offers by commission payout. Why waste time promoting $10 products when you could earn $500 or even $1,000 per sale with the same effort? The Academy gives you a clear system for spotting those high value opportunities. Plus, the training teaches you how to check data points like EPCs, conversion rates, and refund risk, so you're choosing offers with real proof of success. It even walks you through where to find these offers on affiliate networks with examples you can copy. Want to learn this process step by step? Click the link in my description to join the Affiliate Automation Academy and get exclusive bonuses.